Hi there, I'm Mr. Ramsey. I'm one of your two librarians. The library has a lot to offer you. We want to talk specifically about how you can come down here on your own. So we open up at 7 in the morning. We are open through night zone. You don't need a pass during those times. We're also open after school until 2:45. You don't need any kind of a pass for that. And you're welcome to come down during a lunch or a study hall. You will need to sign up for a pass to come at lunch or study hall. You sign up on 5-star students, and the pass sign up is open from night zone through third period. So you have to sign up before the lunches begin. A couple things about what to expect when you come down here. We do ask you to leave the food behind, so eat first and then come. But we are delighted to have you come down here, choose a book, play a game, do a puzzle, ask for help on a project, or just hang out. We do not expect it to be, completely quiet here, but just, quiet enough that people can concentrate. If you find a book you want to check out, you take it up to the circulation desk, and we are happy to work with you to find that perfect book that is exactly what you need.